which we'll get to discuss, is what is known as pharmacogenomics. Alright, so pharmacogenomics is just simple. If I would gist you as a student to student, you just have to do it. You are trying to study how different individuals will respond differently to a drug simply because of their genetic makeup. Okay, so pharmacogenomics, you say that it's a rapidly evolving field, okay, in pharmacology, and it helps us to actually study a particular human being so that what will now tailor medications exactly to what the person needs. Okay, so it's a study of how a patient, an individual's gene, they can affect how the body is responding to drug. So it combines pharmacology and genomics, which is the study of genes. So key concept of pharmacogenomics is you want to move away from generalizing treatments. So you don't want to say the treatment you give to this particular patient simply because this other patient has the same disease, you apply the same thing. No, you study people individually. Okay, so you give the right drugs, you give the right dosing at the right time. That's what pharmacogenomics is basically promoting. So you should know how genes influence drug response. So your DNA contains genes that encode proteins, okay, such as enzymes, transporters, and receptors. Okay, so those genes, okay, producing all those proteins, is all those proteins that actually will determine how the body will respond to a drug, how fast the drug will be broken down, and how the drug will be eliminated from the body. You know, so you have individuals that are rapid metabolizers, which they can break down drugs quickly. You also have individuals that are poor metabolizers. Those ones, they break down drug very slowly. Okay, so basically that's what we got. So benefits of pharmacogenomics is it will help you give a drug that will be very efficient to the patient. It will enhance safety of the patient. It will reduce trial and error. It will make that everything they are doing to that patient is precise and is accurate. You know, then to optimize drug dosing. You are not underdosing